Well guys, we've just come home and I couldn't see the hummingbird. All I could see was this flashing silver. But it's actually broken. That's the first time I've had one of them break. So we'll have to see if we can fix that. That'll upset the balance, whatever I do. Well, there we go. Last one I had lasted for at least a year, if not longer. It was a butterfly, but it's the same principle. Just pull that off and we'll see if we can extend that bit of wire somehow. Right, had a look through my stock. This is one that used to have a butterfly on the end, and I noticed it's got a little extra circle there, spring, to make it even more fluttering. So I could just replace that one with that one. It doesn't seem to be as long, or the new one, this one seems to be longer, so I'd have to adjust the length. Or alternatively, I've got that one, which is thicker wire, so it won't be so springy. So I think we'll have to go for plan A and use that one. Right, this comes apart quite easily. That just slides in there. It's got a little hook on the end of it.
Mum, where are the pens from?
So that one.
Someone.
Oh, where's that gone? That's gone through the bottom.
You not have to get up again for a little while. Wash your hands. What do you want?
Okay, see if that works.
Normal cheese. Normal cheese. No. Okay. Cheesy, 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 cheesy.
Well, that seems to have fixed it. I could have tried to join bits of wire together, but being as I already had one that was longer, that was the easy fix. See how long that lasts. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.